This is what you need.
Okay, so today we're going to learn how to line an alligator clip with ribbon so we can secure a hair bow onto it. So what we want to do is, we got some ribbon here in our alligator clip. That's right side up. So we're going to turn it over on the wrong side. And we're going to put glue on the inside. And we're going to pat that down. Just be careful not to burn yourself. And then you turn it over, and then you're going to put glue on that side. And then you're going to turn it over and run your fingers across it to make sure it's secure. Again, just be careful not to burn yourself. Okay, so what we're going to do at this point is we want to tuck this into here. Some people do it around like that. I don't like it like that as well. So we're going to tuck that in. So we need to put glue all over that. And then you just tuck it in and then fold it over. And you're going to kind of pinch that and make sure it's secure. So then once it dries, you can see that it's